what? We will elect a new governor in a little more than a week, a new attorney general as well.
John Bruning's been the top law enforcement officer for the last 11 years, often outspoken and sometimes controversial. Now 2 people hope to replace him, and they're talking with KETV News Watch 7's Rob McCartney.
It's no game being the top prosecutor in the state of Nebraska, and this guy says he's ready to come off the sidelines and tackle the job. His name is Doug Peterson, and he's not just a football official, he's a legal one.
Doing litigation primarily in areas of employment law and personal injury.
The married father of 3 has been in private practice for 24 years. Before that, he worked in the Lincoln County Attorney's Office, and then for the late Attorney General Robert Speier.
So that experience that I've had helps me understand the importance that the Attorney General's office plays in supporting law enforcement and just keeping our streets safe.
To do that, Peterson wants to cut down the trafficking of drugs and of humans, help out county attorneys, and he wants to protect Nebraska from what he sees as an overreaching federal government.
They're basically taking their federal authority, trying to broaden it, and it's affecting state authority in all kinds of areas, in agriculture, in business.
It doesn't have a name on it either.
Janet Stewart's been in the legal business a long time. For the past 7 years, a lawyer in Fremont. The 24 before that, a litigation manager at Mutual of Omaha's headquarters.
I managed litigation throughout the United States of America.
The married mother of 1, grandmother of 4, is in the race for several reasons. She thinks state offices have become too political, and the Attorney General should not be one of them because they represent all Nebraskans.
And if you get too much involved in, political, partisan ambitions and agendas, I think that takes away from that.
And with a master's degree in social work, Stewart is passionate about children and family issues like abuse and sexual assault.
Things like that are part of the specialized representation that the Attorney General's office can help county prosecutors with. And, it's an issue that means a lot to me, and so I would like to have that as a priority.
In addition to those family issues, Stewart says she'd improve communication within the office and run it more like a business. And when it comes to running the office, both candidates say they'd be proactive fighting crime, reactive if the state's constitution is threatened. But they hesitate to go so far as to suggest new laws. For example, Peterson says while he may not agree with laws he's sworn to defend, he knows to play within the rules.
If I step in this office, I have to uphold the laws. If people don't like the laws that I uphold, then that change comes in the unicameral. But I have to uphold the laws.
Stewart goes farther, saying she would stop the practice of sending a legislative wish list to senators, like the current Attorney General does.
If you're an Attorney General and you're bringing forth a package of various things that you want the legislature to do, there's always the suggestion that some of those recommendations are based on your political aspirations.
With this Commitment 2014 report, I'm Rob McCartney, KETV News Watch 7.
Election day is 1 week from Tuesday. You can see all of our profiles of the candidates and hear from them in their own words. Just look on the politics page of KETV.com.